Hello, welcome to the House of Cacao. I'm Ashley and I'm going to be showing you how to make some lovely, simple, easy, quick brownies that are going to be really fudgy. This is a basic recipe just here, really quite simple with some simple ingredients. The ingredients I'm going to be using today is butter. I've got 175 grams of butter, flour, plain flour, and I've got 130 grams of this. I've got 3 eggs, caster sugar, 325 grams of this, and then last but not least, the best part is the actual chocolate. I've got dark chocolate here and it's around 50%. You can go for white chocolate or milk chocolate in this case, absolutely fine, or if you want to, go for even darker percent, but I'm going for around a 50% dark cocoa solids for this brownie just here. The first thing I'm going to be doing is melting the butter and the chocolate in a pan on a low heat. I want to do this very slowly as I don't want this chocolate to burn. So, in a pan, add your butter and then your chocolate. I always like to add the butter in first and then the chocolate, just to be on the safe side so the chocolate doesn't burn. And then this just goes on a low heat. While my chocolate is melting, I'm then going to start mixing my sugar and my eggs together in a separate bowl. So, caster sugar, straight in, and then crack in your 3 eggs. And then we're just going to give that a good mix. Now that's nice and creamy, we're going to then add in our chocolate. Pour that straight in. That then a good mix. Add in your flour. And then give that a good stir as well. You don't really need to be too careful with this as we're not actually making a cake. We want this really nice and fudgy. So you're not going to be mixing it trying to incorporate air. You do want them sort of dense but gooey at the same time. When we put this in the oven, it's really important that we also not overcook the brownie mixture. Now we're just going to pour all our mixture into a pre-lined cake tin. I've gone for this shape just because I want sort of a thick brownie and a nice oblong shape. In it all goes. Now the brownies are completely cool, I'm going to give them a good slice. Really important that you let them cool at room temperature, then pop them in the fridge to firm up because we're aiming for gooey brownies here. But if you slice them too early, they are just going to fall apart. So it's really important, completely let them cool. Let's have a look. Look at that, delicious. This is the ideal fudginess that we want. And again, really slice. If I was to do this while this was still quite warm, it's just going to be a nightmare. I've got some really decadent fudgy brownies just here to indulge on. Once they've been sliced, you can serve them straight away once they've been out of the refrigerator. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.